In the heart of Greater Zion, under endless skies, every swing tells a story. A story of passion, of resilience, of strength refined by years of dedication. Here at Copper Rock, the spirit of the game is alive in every graceful drive, in every focused glance, in every dream taking flight. This is more than a game. This is legacy in motion. Welcome to Greater Zion, where legends rise. Join us this May as Copper Rock Golf Course hosts the champions of tomorrow. Make your plans, get your tickets, stay and experience the beauty, the excitement, and the spirit of Greater Zion.